Hey everybody, we're back for the second part of the painting process here. The last video we did the mist coat on the body, and as you can see it's still allowing the primer to show through. That's what we wanted. Now we're coming back and we're going to put the first full coat on, and we'll get the booth kicked on here, and of course like last time we'll get the spraying. A little test over there. I always do that to make sure that my can's not spitting or doing anything crazy before I come across the surface of the model. So we're going to move in a little bit closer this time and start putting down a finish coat. And I'm about 6 inches away, roughly in that neighborhood, from the surface. You don't have to worry about really trying to blend everything perfect on this coat. We just want to cover the primer on this coat, and then the next coat we're going to move in a little bit closer, and we should be just about done with the painting process. So again, this is going to be another short video. Not a whole lot to do. That's pretty quick to spray that. We'll let it sit in there for about another 10 minutes and we'll come back in and we'll do the final coat on it. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns or whatever on the painting process out of the can, leave it on the video and I'll be more glad to get back to you. As always, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.